Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to do a variable sectional sweep options in NX. So this is the example I'm going to do it. This is the model. Here you can see I just want to sweep along the path, but the section is different, varies. Here the section varies from here to here, and here the section varies from here to here. Similarly, the sections are varying. So this sweep we are going to do it. So these are the options I have followed. Now we are going to learn step by step in variational sectional sweep. Go to File, New. So same model. Our units are in millimeter. So use the millimeter template. Then model 2. Specify the location here. Just say OK. In this variational sectional sweep, so whatever in the sweep we used to do, the same feature only we are going to do. First create the path. Go to the sketch. Choose the plane. Just taking the front plane. Say OK. First I am going to create a path. In this tutorial I am just going to take a simple line. The dimension I am just taking is 1000. Say no. Press the roller to confirm. Now I have created a simple line. Now just go to the free sketch. Then we need to create a section. Just go to the sketch again. Here instead of plane, go to the path. Select this path. This will take this to the end point. Just say OK. Now take the circle. Any section we can take. For this, I'm going to take a circle with a diameter of 100. Say no. Press the roller. Just finish the sketch. Now we have created the path. We have created the section. Now just go for the variational sectional sweep. Go to the menu, Insert, Decision Feature, or just go to the Sweep option. Sweep. Here there is an option called Variational Sweep. By clicking a V, you will get this feature. Or you can go for here. We can take it into the ribbon also. So I just taken this variational sectional sweep in ribbon. So just click this one. Now it is automatically taken. Select the curve section, it has taken. Curve also it has taken. Now we'll add the section one by one. First click this one. The total length is 1000. Here instead of arc length I am going to give arc length 200. First one I am creating. Then second one I am creating with the arc length of 400. Then third one I am creating with an arc length of 600. Arc length of 600. And next one I am creating with the arc length of 800. Now we have created 4 different sections in between the first and last section. Now we can modify this one. For example, just click this one. Here there is no dimensions are showing. To get the dimensions, zero at the 1000. Control Z. I'm just deleting this one. In this, go to the edit. Here we have specified this dimension. Here we just make this into a P1 is equal to 100. Like this you put. or make a constant. So I just made this as a constant. Diameter P5 is equal to constant. Just go to the finish sketch. Now go to the variational sweep. Select this curve. Automatically it will take. Then add the section one by one. Arc length with 200. Then arc length with 400. Then go and arc length with this 600. Then arc length with 800. Now we can change the dimension here. You can see the dimensions are showing. That is the driving dimension. First I am changing this 200 location. Just double click here. Change this into a 30. Now see. Then this one, just click here. This dimension we can change. Change this into some 60. And this will keep the same. This one will change this into some 50. So this is called the variational section sweep. This one we can modify it. We can modify the dimension. So this way we can do the variational section sweep. If you want to make a solid, keep the solid, just say OK. You will get the solid object. If you want to get the surface object, just go to the edit parameter. Here you change it to sheet, just say OK. Now we will get only the surface. So in this way we can do the variational sectional sweep using NX tool. I hope you like this video. In next tutorial we will come up with a new concept. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.